Made to be tough as nails, this Armour Front HD bumper defends your truck from damage caused by flying rocks, deer, other vehicles, and everything in between. Give your truck the ultimate in solid protection for rugged trails and gnarly terrain. As stylish as it is tough, our bumper was designed with the utmost care to provide a long-lasting and trouble-free service life. Its heavy-duty steel construction is resistant to rust and corrosion. You can add a 20-inch LED light bar and 1 or 2 sets of 3-inch lights. Installation's easy, and there's a 3-year warranty on all Black Horse off-road products. Black Horse Off-Road offers grill guards, bull bars, safari bars, front runner and side steps, tail light guards, rear bumper guards, running boards, LED lights, OEM replacement fog lights, LED bars, off-road fog lights, and rear bumper protectors. All manufactured to the highest quality to fit all of your aftermarket needs.